Nissan is stepping deeper into the electric future, and at the Beijing Motor Show 2026, it just revealed two very different SUV concepts that could shape what's coming next. Welcome to Future Wheels, and today we're taking a quick look at Nissan's latest electric SUV concepts that are turning heads globally. Now, what's interesting here is that Nissan isn't sticking to just one direction. It's exploring two completely different identities. The first concept leans heavily into a rugged off-road design. It's bold, boxy, and built to look tough, with chunky tires, muscular proportions, and sharp LED lighting that gives it a serious adventure-ready presence. Then on the other side, Nissan introduces something completely opposite. A sleek, coupe-style electric SUV that's clearly designed for the city. It's lower, more aerodynamic, and carries a sporty, futuristic look with clean lines and a modern lighting signature. Together, these two concepts show exactly where Nissan is heading, toward a fully electrified lineup, but with options that cater to very different types of drivers. And while technical details are still under wraps, the focus here is clear: advanced EV technology, modern design, and global appeal, especially in fast-growing markets like China. These concepts were also revealed alongside Nissan's latest SUVs in the region, reinforcing the brand's push toward electric and hybrid mobility. So the real question is, would you go for the rugged off-roader or the sleek electric crossover? Subscribe to Future Wheels for more latest car reveals, and I'll catch you in the next one.